I'm Leon. This is Exotics Tropica with an X in West Hollywood. And I'm going to show you how to plant an herb pot that'll thrive in the shade, outside. I've picked an interesting pot. These are from South Africa. This is a nice kind of minty green, so we're going to plant a mint collection in this pot. First thing we do is put a curved piece of pottery, a shard here, over the drain hole. Then we can use any standard potting mix because mints like it moist. Most potting soils will be fine. Doesn't need any extra drainage. So we'll fill the container up, our little mint garden. And I've selected some interesting varieties. This one is called chewing gum mint. Smells just like chewing gum. And you can always walk by this pot, pick a sprig, smell it, enjoy it, pop it in your mouth. And we'll place this in here. And this has a nice contrast, a little dark. Then I have another popular mint here. This is mojito mint. So all you need is some tequila and you're set. And every mint has a distinctly different flavor profile. So you can definitely have some fun with these. There's the mojito mint. And then a final mint I have here, an orange mint. So that's another unusual one. Flake a little bit of soil off. Tuck it in. Add a little bit extra soil in here. This you can water well after planting. And there you go. Mint paradise. Enjoy.